Hello folks, it's me Alanna Nicole here again. Today's presentation will be about nitroimidazoles. We'll discuss everything there is to know about them, its pharmacokinetics, mechanism of actions, and many more. Compared to our previous compound, 5-nitroimidazole is an organic compound with a specific formula. The term nitroimidazole refers to a class of antibiotics or group of drugs that have both antiprotozoal and antibacterial activity. Moreover, these have been used to combat anaerobic bacterial and parasitic infections. Since nitroimidazoles are probable mutagens and carcinogens, their use in food-producing animals is strictly forbidden in the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Take note, the only nitroimidazole drug approved for veterinary usage is metronidazole, used in dogs, cats, and horses for the treatment of severe infections. After learning what are nitrofurants, we will move and discuss the drug's movement through the body. Nitroimidazoles are given orally as intravenous infusions and used for local application in skin infections. Moreover, it works by disrupting the DNA of the susceptible bacteria and inhibiting the protein synthesis of the cell wall, leading to cell death, and acts as bactericidal and antimicrobial agents. With the metronidazole as the only approved for veterinary use, it is administered orally twice a day in dogs, cats, and horses. Keep in mind that metronidazole is well absorbed orally and widely distributed, including the CNS. For its mechanism of action, to begin, the first step is when the substance enters the protozoan cell. The second step is when the substance undergoes reductive activation. Third step includes the toxic action of reduced intermediates. And lastly, the fourth step involves the release of inactive end products. The protozoal toxicity is due to short-lived intermediates or free radicals that produce damage by interacting with DNA and possibly other molecules. The cytotoxic intermediates decompose to non-toxic and inactive compounds. Here, I'll discuss further the information relating to nitroimidazoles, and this includes the metronidazole, ipronidazole, the metridazole, and the ronidazole. They are heterocyclic compounds containing a 5-membered ring similar to the nitrofurants. To know more about them, we have here first the benznidazole. Benznidazole has been shown to produce cures of acute trypanosomiasis in dogs with fewer side effects than nitrofortimax. Ronidazole. Ronidazole is not registered for human or veterinary use in the United States. However, it is considered an effective treatment for T. galanae, Histomonas meleagritis, and T. foetus infections. Tinidazole, an FDA approved for use in treating T. vaginalis, Cardioid species, and Entamoeba histolica infections in people. It is completely absorbed after oral administration in cats and dogs. Metronidazole, used for companion animals as it is the most commonly used agent in this group and the most studied. And on that final note, that concludes my presentation on nitroimidazoles. Thank you!